Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Samsung Microwave Oven MW4000D, a versatile kitchen appliance designed to simplify your cooking experience with advanced features and reliable performance. This microwave promises to deliver convenience, efficiency, and stylish design to your kitchen. Let's explore what makes the Samsung MW4000D a great addition to your home. Design and build quality. The Samsung MW4000D impresses with its sleek design and sturdy build. Modern aesthetics. The sleek, minimalist design with a black or stainless steel finish fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor. Compact size. Despite its powerful capabilities, the microwave has a compact footprint, making it ideal for kitchens of all sizes. Durable construction. Built with high-quality materials, it ensures longevity and reliable performance over time. Key features. The Samsung MW4000D is packed with features to enhance your cooking experience. LED display. A bright, easy-to-read LED display shows cooking times, power levels, and other important information. Touch control panel. The intuitive touch control panel allows for easy navigation and selection of cooking modes and settings. Ceramic enamel interior. The durable, scratch-resistant ceramic enamel interior is easy to clean and helps to reduce bacterial growth. Cooking performance. The Samsung MW4000D is designed to deliver excellent cooking performance. Even heating. The microwave's triple distribution system ensures even heat distribution for thoroughly cooked food. Multiple power levels. With 10 power levels, you can precisely control the cooking intensity to suit different types of food. Auto cook programs. Pre-programmed settings for common dishes make cooking effortless, ensuring optimal results with minimal input. Defrost and reheat functions. Convenience is a key aspect of the MW4000D. Quick defrost. The quick defrost function rapidly thaws frozen food, ensuring even defrosting without overcooking. Reheat function. The reheat feature is perfect for warming up leftovers, providing consistent and quick results. Eco mode. The MW4000D is designed with energy efficiency in mind. Eco mode. The Eco mode significantly reduces standby power consumption, helping you save on energy bills while being environmentally friendly. Safety features. Safety is a priority with the Samsung MW4000D. Child safety lock. The child safety lock prevents accidental operation, ensuring the safety of your family. Cool touch door. The cool touch door remains safe to touch even during operation, preventing accidental burns. Maintenance. The MW4000D is designed for easy maintenance. Easy clean interior. The smooth ceramic enamel interior makes it easy to wipe away spills and splatters. Deodorization setting. The deodorization setting helps to eliminate lingering odors, keeping the interior fresh and clean. Price and value. The Samsung Microwave Oven MW4000D offers excellent value with its combination of advanced features, reliable performance, and stylish design. It's a versatile appliance that simplifies your cooking tasks and enhances your kitchen experience. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Samsung Microwave Oven MW4000D is a powerful and convenient appliance that brings efficiency, versatility, and modern design to your kitchen. Whether you're defrosting, reheating, or cooking a meal from scratch, this microwave has the features and performance to meet your needs. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.